In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Monday.com for 2025 with a step-by-step guide designed to make the process straightforward and enjoyable. Monday.com is a versatile work operating system that centralizes all your work, processes, tools, and files into one easy-to-use platform. Creating a calendar here can significantly enhance your workflow by organizing tasks, setting deadlines, and keeping track of key dates. To get started, fire up your internet browser and head over to the Monday.com homepage. If you have your login credentials handy, type them in and you're good to go. Once you're on the platform, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your workspace. Spot the sample board. It's usually set up as a default to help you get accustomed to the features Monday.com offers. Clicking on this sample board allows you to explore and utilize its functions without impacting any critical data you might already have within your personalized boards. Once inside the sample board, direct your attention to the upper corner of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Add View. This is where you can configure how your information is displayed, whether it's a Kanban board, Gantt chart, or in our case today, a calendar. Clicking Add View will open up a list of available views, offering a range of options to meet different project management needs. Now, with the views list open, scroll through until you find the option labeled Calendar. It'll have a small icon beside it to help you identify it quickly. Clicking on the calendar view will transform your data into a calendar format, making it easier to visualize what tasks occur when and to identify any overlapping commitments or free blocks of time that you have. With the calendar in view, you can now start making it your own. Monday.com allows you to customize your calendar by assigning different colors to various tasks based on priority or type, which can be particularly handy if you're managing complex projects with numerous moving parts. You can also adjust the date range, toggle between weekly and monthly views, and even sync it with your current calendar apps to streamline your scheduling further. By following these steps, you've set up a dynamic way to keep track of your projects in Monday.com. Remember to save these changes to ensure they're reflected every time you access your workspace. This simple setup not only promises to make managing your time more efficient, but also enhances overall productivity by providing a clear overview of your tasks and responsibilities at a glance. Experiment with these features, customize them according to your needs, and you'll find that integrating a calendar into your Monday.com setup makes for an indispensable tool in managing both your daily tasks and broader projects. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, happy planning.